Hello, my ABT students. Now, this booklet that this video is on is creating and designing letterheads, envelopes, business cards, and paper press releases. So I'm going to start in this booklet. And the first part of the booklet says creating a letterhead using a template. Now, a template simply means it's a document that you use over and over again. You open it, you save it with a different name, and you do whatever you want to it. You open the template again, you do something different with it. So it's just reusing a document over and over again. All right, so we'll go to your classes drive. So go to File, and we're going to go to Open, and go to Browse, and I'll go to my classes drive, and you go to your classes drive. And here's my classes drive, and it's being slow tonight. Okay, and ABT, you go to your ABT folder, and then there's a folder there called Project 1 WEP. Okay, and so now double click on there, and now take a look here. You want to open up, and don't open up the one with my name on it, obviously, but we are to open up the Graphic Edge Template 1. Okay, and now take a look here. This is the important part. Do you see this? It says template, so it's not a doc. Okay, it's a template, a file that's going to be used over and over again. So always pay attention, make sure you can see the type. All right, so we want Graphic Edge Template. All right, open it. And so you see here, you've got some graphics, financial consultation, start letter here, and you've got graphics at the bottom. So that's all been given to you. It's on your template, and each time you call this document up, you have all the graphics built in, and you just have to change the letter or the body, whatever you want to put on there. Okay, so they asked us, we're going to customize it now. So it says pick a theme of colors for your letterhead and stay within the colors that you choose. Well, that's obvious. So click on the Home tab. Okay, we're on the Home tab. And now the editing group. Okay, the editing group is over here. And it says to you, it says click on the drop down arrow for the select button. There's the select button. Click on the drop down arrow, and we want to see the selection pane. So choose the selection pane. Now, do you see here? Let's work through this. Text box 4. All right, the eyeball's open. Let's close it. And hold on here. What disappeared? Wait, I'm going to put this back to view one page for a second so that I can show you. Okay, so here I'm going to turn the eyeball on. There is text box 4. Okay, and try it again. Turn it off, turn it on, so you know where it is. Now the picture 3. Okay, where's the picture 3? Picture 3 is this graphic here. And then text box 2, that's financial consultation. And picture 5 is the graphics, okay? And text box 1 is this one here. Start the letter here. There's a text box there. So this selection pane really makes it handy because then you know where the pieces are. Now, if you say hide all, the eyeballs are closed and you can see nothing. If you say show all, then the eyeballs are open and you can see everything. So that's where the selection pane comes in really handy. All right. So now it says to you, click on picture 5 in the selection pane. So click on picture 5, and now it has been selected. All right. So what we want to do there is it says go to the Picture Tools Format tab. So go to your Picture Tools Format tab. And now you want to go to the Group button. So you're going to go to Group, and you're going to say Ungroup. Okay, and it says this is an imported picture, not a group. Do you want to convert it? And you say yes. All right, now it jumped to the wrong place. I didn't want to jump there, but you can put it back here. All right, now what I want you to do is you clicked on Ungroup. I think you did. Yeah, it should be ungrouped, but I'll go here and I'm going to say Ungroup again. Okay, it is. All right, I'm going to click off here, and I should be able to click on the red piece. Yes, you can see the two pieces here. Okay, so I'm going to wait. I should be able to. Okay, so now when we clicked on here, if I click here, I'm on the green one right now. So, or it was red at that time I was playing. So therefore, if I make it purple, or if I make it orange, there it is. Now, if I click off and I click on the yellow one, I'm on the yellow one right now, and I'm going to say shape fill, and maybe I want, I don't know, I'll try blue. Okay, there's blue. And now click off for a second, but click right on the red. See, I've got the red. It's really hard for you to see, but it's there. And if I go to shape fill, and what color should I make it here? Yellow? Yeah, I can put yellow in. Okay, I don't like the color of this one. I'm going to go back to green. Okay, so now I've put on there green, yellow, and blue. All right, we'll go back together again. And now, if I want to group those, I've got to go to Home. I've got to go to Select. And it says Select Objects, okay? So now what I can do is I can click, hold, and cover the three of them. And now I can say Group. Well, it's grouped back. As soon as I did that, it's grouped back. Let me see if I can move it as an object. Yes, I can. So we ungrouped it, and then we colored it the colors that we wanted. Okay, so that piece is good then. All right, now we want to format. Oh, you know what? Let's stop here right now, and I want to go File, Save As. Okay, so I want to go File, Save As. I want you to go to your U drive. And go to ABT. And now I'll put that under, I'm going to right click and go to New Folder. And I'm going to put in here Project 1. Okay, so I put Project 1, and then I'm going to double click here, and I want to save this, and I believe that you were told to save it. Hold on for a second, I'll check. Okay, we're just saving it as the Graphic Edge template at this point in time because we're not going to change it yet, so we can leave that name there. Now look at Save As Type, make sure it says Word Template, and save it. All right, that's good. All right, so now Financial Consultation, select the text. All right, so I want to go here. I want to select the text, and I want to key in Graphic Edge. Give it a different name, and then go Shift Home, and we want to make it size 15 Casteller. Okay, so I want to go down here and go to the C's, Casteller. All right, I think it should be made a little bit bigger. I'm going to go 1, 2. I just think it looks better. And I'm going to make your graphic box a little bit bigger so we definitely can see it. And I think that I'm going to go with the green. So I'm going to go to my font color and make it green. And I'm going to make it bold and italics. And I still think the Graphic Edge is a little bit small. So I'm going to push it up now to 20. Okay, and I've got to change the size of my box. Okay, and then I'm going to move my picture. And I'm going to go here to Select Objects, and I'm going to drag around so it's all one piece. And then I'm going to drag, oh, I didn't mean to grab that. Okay, hold on here. Select Object. Okay, and I want to try it again. Now, this time I'll be careful. Oh, hold on here. Select Objects. Okay, so now I've got one frame, and that's what I want. Okay, one frame. All right, I'm happy with that now. I'm going to go Control S to save. And then it says on the border of this text box, change the border to dashes. All right, so on the text box, click on the border, and you're going to go to Format, Drawing Tools Format, Shape Outline, and you want to go and choose dashes. Now, anything goes, whatever it is that you want. And it says choose a weight and a color. And so I'm going to go with that, and I'm going to go with green. Shape outline, I'm going to make it green to match my text. All right, and that's all that we need to do there, so I'll just save my work. And now I want to click on the border of the text box in the bottom right. Okay, so here I want to be on the frame, the border, and I want to go and fill it with a color. Well, I'm going to fill mine, so I'm going to go to Format, Shape, Fill, and I'm going to just choose a light green. Stay in the same tones, but choose, okay, I think that still can be readable. I might have gone with a gradient. Hold on, I'm going to try a gradient here. Gradient and more gradients, and I want to go to Gradient Fill, Preset, and maybe I'll try, okay, that's pretty good. I'm going to try one more just in case. I'll try this one. No, I think that's too dark, so I'm going to go to the next pattern up and choose this one. Okay, so I can still read it well. That's what I want to do. And that's the fill style that I chose. You can choose anything you want. Now, it says change the shape of this text box. All right, so we want to go to Insert, or actually it's right here, Insert Shapes, Edit the Shape, and it says Change Shape. So I want to change the shape, and I'm going to choose Flow Chart. So go to the Flow Charts. Whoa, hold on here. Go to the Flow Charts, and I want the one that says Manual. Okay, in the flow charts, we want this one here. That's what they tell us, but you can use whatever one you want. I'm not worried about that. All right, so I want to choose Flowchart Manual. All right, and you see how the top cuts off? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I don't know if I'm happy with that. Oh, I'll leave it for now. All right, now, also at the bottom here, do you see there's two blank paragraph symbols? All right, so take those out, because we don't need those. And then size your box down a little bit. And I think I will go and I'm going to change my direction here. Maybe put the white in the middle. Oh no, that doesn't look good. Not at all. Okay, I'm going to go here, Presets. I'm going to go back and choose this green one. Okay, that looks better. And I'm going to change my transparency to so that it's not quite as dark. Okay, that I'm more happy with, and I will bring it down, I think, a little bit lower, but you can decide where you want to put it. All right, so we've adjusted that. That's good. And all right, let's stop there because I'm out of time. So I'm going to save it now, and then I will come back here to finish it. So just leave it open on your screen.